Hey, good evening, Bobcats. This is your friendly neighborhood English teacher, Mr. Weaver. Hey, I wanted to take this opportunity to, in light of some virtual fishbowl discussions that we're going to be completing tomorrow to show you how to sign up for and log into Padlet. That's padlet.com, Padlet.com, so that we can conduct our virtual fishbowl discussions tomorrow in real time. So, obviously, I'm on my Schoology page to start here, but the way that we're going to do this is to kind of jump out to a new web page. By the way, I'm going to put these directions also on Schoology for you, as well as a link to this video. So if you jump out to a new web page, we want to type in Padlet.com. Now, it is really important. Sorry, I should have been signed out there. When you do that, and again, you go to Padlet.com, it's going to take you to a screen that's going to look like this. Now, if you take a look at this screen, obviously it says sign up, it's free. That's what we're going for here. So you want to click on that. Now, when you click on that, obviously you want to sign up with Google. So you want to be signed in under your school Google account so that your name shows up when you get into the Padlet to conduct the virtual fishbowl. So in my case, I'm going to sign up with Google. I'm going to use my school email, the weaverb@anybobcats.org. And you notice once I do that, it's going to take me to this dashboard page. Now, if you take a look, there's a couple of different options up here. Make a Padlet, join a Padlet gallery, and upgrade. The one that we're interested in specifically is join a Padlet. So if we click join a Padlet, it's going to bring up something that looks like this. Now, I am going to give you the specific URL to log into our Padlet. As you can already tell, I have the Padlet set up. You can see that behind. I've got a Padlet for English 12 Level 2 Period 5, English 12 Level 3 Period 1, 2, and English 12 AP Period 4. So each of you are going to have unique URLs to sign up for your respective Padlets for your virtual fishbowl discussions tomorrow. Again, it's really important that you use your Northeastern, your anybobcats.org Google account to sign up for Padlet so that your name appears when we run the virtual fishbowl discussion tomorrow. So that is a quick tutorial on how to sign up for Padlet. Again, I will have this Padlet URL in addition to kind of a quick rundown on these directions in Schoology tomorrow in the update section as part of your daily assignments. So please make sure that you are checking that. Again, we will initiate each Padlet tomorrow at your prescribed class time. So E12L3 Period 1, 2 co-taught will be 8:30 to 9:30. We'll run E12 AP Period 4 from 1 to 2, and we'll run E12 Level 2 Period 5 from 2 to 3. Thank you very much. Hopefully you found this helpful. Again, you can reference the directions if you didn't understand what we were doing here, but this is just a quick tutorial again on how to sign up for Padlet for our virtual fishbowls tomorrow. Thank you very much, and as always, carpe diem.